Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Nahmaduhu Nasalli ala Rasulih al-Kareem. Prime Minister of Pakistan, Mia Muhammad Shahbaz Sharif. This is Khalid Ahmed Chaudhry, overseas Pakistani. Speaking on behalf of the overwhelming majority of the overseas Pakistanis all over the world who are extremely disturbed what has happened on 9th of May, which is now called Black Day in the history of Pakistan. Mr. Prime Minister, I'm addressing you from the legal capital of the world, The Hague, Netherlands. While my heart is bleeding, and not only mine, the hearts of millions of Pakistanis abroad, and once again the overwhelming majority of the Pakistanis living in Pakistan. Mr. Prime Minister, Ninth of May, the day when a pre-planned attack on the installations of Pakistan Army was accomplished, implemented by the head of a political party, his first, second, third tier leadership, and party workers. Prime Minister, this has never ever happened in history of Pakistan. What nation could see on that tragic day? I am reaching you, Prime Minister, in a hope on behalf of overwhelming overseas majority that you will make sure the culprits, their aiders, abettors, advisors, all are taken into custody and they all are tried on treason charges, terrorism charges, in a special speedy court. They challenged the writ of the state or writ of the government, and it's your obligation at the seat of Prime Minister to make sure that these culprits face a rigorous imprisonment. Pakistan already have been facing many challenges within the boundaries and outside. But this one is something where the government of Pakistan should have a zero tolerance. Everyone know that it was a planned activity by a political party which can be identified as success of the fifth generation warfare. It's an act of high treason. When the installations of Pakistan Army were targeted, destroyed, thank God the chief of the army staff, General Sayyid Asam Munir Ahmed, all the corps commanders, division commanders, regiment commanders, and each and every soldier of Pakistan armed forces, may they be from the military, air force or navy, they refrained from attacking back on these people. Otherwise, there would have been a bloodbath. Of course, in defense of military property, installations, and other public-private sector, Pakistan Army too had a constitutional, legal right to take action. This should not be taken as a weakness of the armed forces. They are fully capable, determined to tackle these kind of acts by the extremists, fanatics, terrorists. So at the end,